friends, my name is Pragna. So today we are making flower bouquet. So we need a gum, a paper, and you know that we need grass and flowers. You know that we need flowers. If you have this type of flowers, you can use it. And we need a gum. Okay, and we need a paper, waste paper. So, first we need to make a cone with this paper like this, straight way. Okay? And I made a cone here. So this we need to attach with gum. So let's attach it with gum. So I am taking the gum and attaching it. So I attached it with gum here. So little bit you need to attach gum here. So let's attach it. So I attached here also. So we made another bouquet too. So first we will take waste papers. I also take waste papers and pour in this. So next we need a paper like this and put it in this like this. Next we need to keep flowers and all. So I am taking a yellow color flower first. See? So I will keep another yellow color flower. I will keep yellow flower. Like this. I am showing you like this. And I kept like this. I want this one. And this flower too. And I am keeping a maroon flower. And we also maroon flower. Now, and I am keeping another maroon flower. Now I am keeping purple flower. Me also keeping I kept like this. So now I will keep purple flower, the white flower for the decoration. And me keeping this a sky blue flower. I will keep this. I am keeping the sky blue flower. Before keeping this, I will keep a little grass. I am keeping the white flower too. And after I will keep a sky blue flower. And I will keep more little flowers because I had flowers. Now I forgot to keep white flowers, so keeping white flowers. Now I will keep little bit grass and white. A white flower for me. No, not this. You can keep this. You keep two white flowers. So, my flower bouquet is ready, friends. So, I will show you this afterwards. Now, it's time to help my sister. Nitya, show me your bouquet. I will help you. No. So friends, I also made another bouquet. So let's make this bouquet too while my sister is making that bouquet. I want this oil. You should not keep that much. So friends, it's time to help my sister. So she removed all the flowers because she is not getting heat. So I will help my sister in doing this. So first for her I will take two yellow flowers. It's time to keep the yellow flowers. Completed keeping yellow flower. Now it's time to keep a white flower. Next it's time to keep some purple flowers. I'm keeping these two purple flowers. And I will finish my bouquet. Oh, you are doing here. I am doing for you. I need some grass, please. How I did know. First I kept grass. After I kept flowers. Oh, you kept these. They are so nice. So, friends, let's make like Nitya. She did not show us, no? Let's make. So it's time to show our bouquets. These two are friends. See how is my bouquet? So nice, no? So this is my bouquet. Mine. And this is her bouquet. Which one is nice? Wait, what you kept? Our sister, where is this color? That color. You also kept that color. See here. This is white only now. Oh. Huh? So friends, If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please comment